Hi, Madam. Assalamualaikum. My name is Rexy Maluni from Philippines, 42 years old, single, 4 kids. My work experience in Saudi Arab, 2 years Finnish contract, and also in Kuwait, 2 years contract. I am doing household like laundry, washing all clothes, dishes, cleaning the house, and taking care of the baby. I know how to cook also, like shawarma, bechamel, cinnamon roll, and ready to mix chicken kabsa, gelatin, spaghetti, haris, pizza. I know I am willing to learn more. I can follow recipe in YouTube. I hope you will hear me, Madam and Sir. Thank you.